Good job. High five. Yeah.
Can you say him again? Can you say Shadrach?
Bingo.
Abednego?
Bingo.
You say Shadrach?
Good job.
Can you say Meshach?
Me.
Abednego?
Bingo.
Good job. Who is this?
A papa.
No, Jesus.
It's either Papa or Daddy.
Let's see. Do you remember who this is?
Papa.
David.
A dad.
Who is this?
Bingo.
Man, who's that with the
A
lions?
bingo.
He just wants to say it.
A bingo. A bingo.
There he is.
A bingo. A bingo.
That's Daniel. That's Daniel.
A bingo. A bingo. A bingo.
That's a fun word, isn't it?
Bingo.
Here, this is Abednego.
Bingo.
That one, that's him.
Bingo.
Good job. He's got
Bingo.
the whole world.
Bingo. Bingo.
Can you see my God is so big?
No.
Oh.
Hey, who is that?
A bingo.
No, you know who that is.
A bingo.
Who is that?
A bingo.
No, who is that?
Who's that in the water?
A bunko.
Who's in the water?
A bingo.
Who's in
A
the
bingo.
Are you not hearing me?
Who's in the who's
A
in
bingo.
who parted the water?
A bingo.
Oh, great. Way to go, Adam.
I'm not a very good teacher. His favorite character in the Bible is Abednego.
A papa.
And Papa is Jesus.
A bingo. A bingo.
And then he's right here.
A bingo.
Can you say Shadrach?
Check.
Can you say Meshach?
A bingo.
And Abednego?
A bingo.